liquid, and that's in the 1.8% nicotine strength, and one max USB charger. Charging your max battery is very simple. To do this, screw the battery into the USB charger. Once you've done that, you can pop it into your wall adapter or your PC or laptop. Now, during charging, the LED light is red, and when the battery is fully charged, it will turn green. To fill your vape stick clearomizer, first remove the lid from your bottle of V-liquid, and then you'll need to remove the black tip from the end of the clearomizer, like so, just by unscrewing it. And once you've done that, just make sure as you fill you don't get any liquid down that centre hole there, right in the middle, and you want to just simply drip the liquid carefully into the clearomizer until you reach the 1.6mm marking, and you'll notice that printed clearly on the side of the clearomizer. Replace the tip and you're ready to go. Assembly of the product is very simple. Just take the battery and clearomizer, screw the two pieces together, but just be careful not to over tighten at this stage. It's easy to clean your max battery, and to do this, use a piece of tissue paper just to wipe the contacts on the inside of the battery and also the threaded section around the outside. The last thing to talk about then is how to clean your clearomizer, and this is also very easy to do. Remove the black tip, as I've done here, and then flush your clearomizer out completely using warm water. Once you've done that and it's completely clean, stand the clearomizer upside down on a piece of tissue paper or even a towel, and just make sure that you wait until it's completely dry before you fill it again. You can get the single max refillable starter kit right now at vapestick.co.uk, along with replacement parts and a whole range of